MOG is statistically one of the hottest coins in crypto over the last few days, and that's one of the hottest coins in all of crypto, not just meme coins. Let's check out the chart. Here it is. So yeah, we pulled back a little bit in the last few hours right there, but last night, it touched about $770 million market cap. Right now, we're at $650 million market cap. So yesterday, it was up about 35-40% on the day, which for almost a trillion market cap coin, almost a billion market cap coin, that is a monstrous one-day gain. So when you have huge volatile gains like that, you're going to have slight pullbacks like this as the entire market is pulled back due to the pump fund launch and just a little bit of liquidity being sucked into this. But I expect that to be kind of over with by later today or tomorrow, and everything will resume pumping. So in this video, we're going to talk about why is MOG this hot? Is there a specific reason, a development? Are there rumors going on in the background? Or is it just that MOG was too undervalued, too low for too long, and the community and team are too strong? We will dissect that. I will give my specific opinion. But before we dive further into MOG, some updates from my partner exchange, BTCC. So it's July. They have some exciting new campaigns and giveaways going on, like the daily trading challenge. This one has about 6 days left. It is simple. It's for experienced and new traders alike. If you open up at least a $1,000 futures position, hold it for a certain number of days, and you get up to $30 cash back. Then there is a first crypto deposit reward pool. This one has about 3.5 days left. It's simple. If you're a new user, you sign up an account, you deposit at least $200 into the platform, then you get $10 cash back. And then finally, there's the Visa Mastercard reward program. If you deposit over $400 using a Visa or Mastercard, then you get $10 cash back. That is a limited time offer. If you want to check out, sign up for any of these campaigns, or just create an account at BTCC and get up to $10,000 in bonuses, use any of these links at the top. Now back to MOG, and the crypto media publications are picking up on its surge of late. Here's an article in Be In Crypto magazine, 3 meme coins to watch in the third week of July. That is this week, starting today or yesterday. Basically, it's MOG, Pudgy Penguins, and NPC. And for MOG, they essentially just do some TA and point out that this week, they are primed for some pumps. This article here in CCN Magazine, MOG explodes to 6-month high after a 65% surge in the last week. The rally is not over. And they point out that MOG is still down 58% from the all-time high. That was yesterday before it dipped today. So now it's down even more, about 65% from its all-time high, which is good. That's more upside potential. Then MOG's Twitter page, they don't really give too many clues as to what is causing the rise. Just some memes, good morning MOGers, collaboration with the MoonPay they're hyping up. Let's see what the community thinks. Alchemist, this guy's got a huge following. He wrote this a few minutes ago. Watching the pump sell-off, the pump token sell-off, is why I buy blue chips like Pepe and MOG. That's what I've been telling my followers. This pump token launch, it's just basically a cash grab. It starts off high, then it dips afterwards. Everyone, gets caught chasing the candles. The blue chip memes, you got to be a little more patient with them. It's not an immediate sort of satisfaction or dopamine rush, but you make more money in the long run, particularly MOG, because MOG has been outperforming Pepe significantly in the last few weeks. This is an interesting tweet. This guy wrote that he's closing his MOG shorts here, so he is just strictly a swing trader. And after it was pumping so much a few days ago, I think yesterday, he opened up some shorts just because it was bound to pull back, nothing negative fundamentally. Appears to be a pretty good trade, and now he has closed those shorts, and he presumably thinks that MOG is going to increase again. I like that. Now, here's a good tweet from a community member. He wrote, I did an experiment to prove you don't need a ton of money in crypto to win. And he says he's been dollar cost averaging $10 per day into MOG every day since mid-March, and he currently holds $4,600 worth of MOG. So I calculated out myself to see how much would that be worth if there was no price appreciation. How much did he put in to begin with? He only put in about $1,200. So now he has $4,600. So MOG is basically 4x his holdings. So that just goes to show DCAing can be very, very profitable. And props to him. Certainly looks like he started DCAing or did most of his DCAing when MOG was at the bottom. What else do we have here? Some price predictions. This guy wrote he would not be surprised to see MOG hit this level in the next 7 days. Might be a little overly optimistic. He's pointing out about a 2.5 billion market cap, a new all-time high within 1 week. I like the bullishness. That might be, maybe temper it down a little bit. And then this girl, Mary, she did temper it down. She's predicting ETH 4K this week. And then MOG, a 1.5x to about a 1 billion market cap. That could be when these coins get hot, they do tend to just shoot up a couple billion on the market cap very, very quickly, a couple hundred million. This guy's predicting MOG will be a top 20 coin in the next 6 months. It's currently the number 95 on the coin market cap top 100. It's high. I think it got up to about 50 or 60 on the CMC when it reached its all-time high of 1.6 billion. So top 20 is within reach. It is not overly unrealistic or anything. And then this guy just keeps it simple with his tweet. Don't overthink it. The ticker is MOG, which is pretty much trending ticker MOG on Twitter every single day. It's basically along the lines of he's saying, don't overthink it. Don't rotate. Don't buy and sell too much. Don't overtrade. Just buy the blue chips. I agree with that. That's it for now. MOG Army, drop a comment down below. Hit the like, sub, and I'll be back later with a new video. BenCrypto signing out. Catch you later.